Welcome to Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.
Thank you for clicking the link. Here we have the OCTAVIA in SEL Silver. Inside the vehicle we have a micro suede interior. And the dashboard, we have the infotainment system. This SEL also has electric windows. This is the back seat of the SEL. So here we have the boot. Very large boot space with the option of putting the seats down. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.